Oh my gosh. Owen! Owen, where are you? Oh no. Oh God. Owen? Owen? Owen, where are you? I will never ever be able to find you.
Son?
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 Son, where are you?
Son, where are you?
Owen?
Where is my son?
Owen?
The hell we in there like a pack of sardines and we cannot escape, we cannot come out. Mama!
Oh my god, he's so good.
Oh, Oh!
Stop this madness. What do you want from me? Ah, what do you want?
Would you like some supper?
Hi, Ellie. Mode. Hi.
Cold? Yeah? Wanna go back to bed?
What did you do? It was you!
Oh my god. Freddy. It's all stuck on his face. He doesn't like it.
Freya!
The hell we in there like a pack of sardines and we cannot escape, we cannot come out. Mama!
When you find a floof sleeping in its natural habitat, do these two things. Number 1, move to the floof. Number 2, boop the floof.
Look at your weird ears. You're not even that pretty. Okay, you're kind of pretty, but you're a little meanie. You're a mean baby.
I will grow under any conditions.
I think I'm allergic to tap water.
This is my roommate, Cheese, who's also my therapist. He's clean, he's cute. Sometimes he farts on me, but that's okay, he's cute.
I'm tired. I don't want to do nothing. Let me rest for 1,000 years.
Wow, 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 wow.
What is it?
When people call you extra, just look them in their face and say, am I extra or are you basic?
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh. We've been trying to contact you regarding your car's extended warranty.
You are so cute, it makes me angry.
their own laptop. They'll leave you alone. And look at this little businessman!
I mean, then look at this then. I can't imagine a more beautiful thing.
I think my cat is broken.
This is my cat living his best life, doing nothing.
Hey, get out of my sandwich. No.
Am I walking you or you walking me? Oh, I'm walking you, okay.
Good evening. Tonight's top story, everything is awful.
Cause I don't care.
Yeah, immediately no. Immediately no. Immediately no. I'm telling you right now, I seen what I needed to see.
The flame calls to me, not by its warmth or its pumpkin-spiced aroma, but by its desire for calamity and destruction.
I'm not fat, okay? I'm just really, really easy to see.
No.
Yeah.
Hey, what are you doing?
Anybody else?
Come here, I gotta deliver it back. Since you took it from me? No. No.